Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In this video lecture, we will discuss some basic definition which include observation, data, and types of data. First, we define observation. What is observation? Any sort of numerically recording of information is called observation. Next, we define data. What is data? Data is plural and one piece of information is called datum. What is data? The set of observation is called data. Data versus information. When we collect some data and then we pass it some statistical procedure, it gave us information. Next, we discuss types of data. There are many types of data which are the following. First one type of data is primary data or raw data. What is primary data? Data that have been originally collected and not undergone any sort of statistical treatment is called primary data. For example, your own survey, your own questionnaire, and information, etc. The next type of data is secondary data. What is secondary data? Data which have been collected by someone else and which have already been passed through the statistical process are known as secondary data. For example, data from a book, data from newspaper and magazine, and data from internet, etc. are the example of secondary data. The next type of data is ungrouped data. What is ungrouped data? Data which is not classified and summarized into group after collection is called ungrouped data. For example, marks of student in statistic test are 47, 78, 66, 41, 61, 63 and 58, which are the example of ungrouped data which is in the form of raw data. The next type of data is group data. What is group data? Data that have been placed in any group or category after collection is called group data. For example, the above raw data we convert it into group data. We make classes and frequencies. The test score which is 50 or less than having 2 frequency. The test score which lie between the class 51 to 60 having 1 frequency, and statistic test score lie between 61 to 70 having 3 frequency, and the score between 71 to 80 having 1 frequency. The next type of data is quantitative data. What is quantitative data? Data which expressed numerically is called quantitative data. For example, height of a student, number of rooms in a hotel are the example of quantitative data. The next type of data is discrete data. What is discrete data? Data that have counted, data that are counted and take on only whole number is called discrete data. For example, student in a class, number of children in a family, shoe size, etc. are the example of discrete data. The next type of data is continuous data. What is continuous data? Data that are measured and take on any fractional values is called continuous data. For example, the age of a person, the height of a tree. The next type of data is qualitative data. What is qualitative data? Data that cannot be expressed numerically is called qualitative data. For example, gender, eye color, hair color, etc. The next type of data is cross-sectional data. What is cross-sectional data? Data collected by observing many objects at the same period of time is called cross-sectional data. The next type of data is time series data. What is time series data? Time series data is a sequence of information that attach a time period to each value. For example, weather record, economic indicator, etc. The next type of data is experimental data. What is experimental data? Data that comes from experiments is called experimental data. The next and the last type of data is panel data. What is panel data? A panel dataset contains observation on multiple entities or multiple individuals where each entity is observed at two or more points in time. For example, data on 1000 individuals in 4 different months per 4000 observational total. For the next video, please subscribe my channel Learning at Home